Morning, everybody on the panel. Thank you. So, why I feel that teaching in a crowded OPD should be just optional for residents. So, this is a typical OPD setup, and this is not just a very crowded OPD. This is a routine OPD in everyday practice is what we see. So, how would incorporating a teaching schedule for a doctor who practices in this work? Right. So the physician is very precariously balancing patient care and teaching residents. Now, if more emphasis is given on teaching residents, patient care tends to suffer. And this translates to missing clinical findings and using more empirical therapy than targeted therapy. And this can, on the long run, habituate polypharma. Well, the focus should be on patient care, but this may get affected. On the physician, we know that we've all had OPDs where we've seen 300 patients, 400 patients, and you know how dead and exhausted you are. Imagine trying to teach and see patients at the same time. Imagine how fatigued you will get. And you are done. You don't want to diagnose. You just want to pack up. You say, let's just do this. Let's just do the empirical therapy and move on. The doctor and patient relationship is something which is very sacred. And this empathy is required for any clinician. Now, we know that time needs to be spent on counseling patients, especially in ophthalmology, where telling the patients about their disease is very important. And incorporating a teaching schedule might further decrease the time available in a crowded OPD for such patients. When you have so many patients and residents are seeing thousands and thousands of patients, what happens is even when there is teaching going on, because of the gross volume and of the OPD, the resident is overwhelmed and they may not be able to grasp such findings. And they're also tired, and this can also cause disinterest in learning. And if they focus only on one case learning in a crowded OPD where there are thousands of patients, they can miss out on a variety of cases if they're only focusing on that one particular case. Now, to me, teaching in a crowded OPD should be just optional. And I feel that just by passive learning, by looking at their seniors, by looking at the consultants do, they're going to gain clinical acumen because of the sheer volume. They can maximize this learning by active participation from the resident, by regular case discussions and academic activities during the free time, and also by going back, learning, studying about the case and coming back. Now, on the clinician part, he should encourage the students from asking more and more questions when, of course, they are free and doubts, and this encourages the residents to learn better. So that's why I feel it's optional. Thank you so much.